Javierlito, that's not the way it's tied. You got to hold on onto it in both hands.
I'm cutting with both hands.
Oh God!
That was dangerous. That's been done this way. Okay, let's just go around this way. There seems to be like actually a whirlpool there.
See,
Whirlpool.
Anyway, get the idea. There's the waterfall. It goes like a kilometer. We gotta figure out how to walk around it. That was neat. No, this is a very stable canoe. It's called a symmetrical canoe, and it takes a lot to tip it. Although it'll go over, like, it'll be scary and shit.
Panicking like Eric, maybe.
No, I peed myself too. I thought we were going down.
I was like, Eric, stop moving! Eric, stop moving!
Anyway, this gives you another insight into the river, and another insight into the way people live on this river. So, beside the cabin, like where the toilet's going to be,
Yeah.
we're going to build a kitchen sort of like that one, but, of course, a lot bigger and groovier and light, a lot more light and shit.